My name is Ardita Gusho, and I am the head of the Department of Architecture at company Kontakt, a construction and development company. We mainly work in Tirana, a very interesting city where a lot of famous architecture firms, both Albanians and from abroad, has designed and changed the face of the city for the 21st century. During 24 years of Kontakt, we have worked with some of these famous architecture firms and gained experience on international standards of design. And today, architects of Kontakt can work on the same standards and paths. The project I'm presenting today is designed by Architecture Studio of Kontakt. The site is located in the east part of Tirana, and it has the benefits of a rural site, which is far from the air and noise pollution of the city center, with fresh air, natural lighting of the sun and free views towards Daiti Mountain and the city. But meanwhile, it has a very favorable location towards the city center on the 5th ring road, only 10 minutes from the first and 10 to the second. It is also located in between Farka Lake and the Sanatorium of the city. The terrain has a slope of 12%, which is a moderate slope, and it is an issue which we have turned as a key point on our project, where we took inspiration of creating 4 terraces or levels, because the difference between the lowest point to the highest point is 12 meters or 4 floors, and different volumes of buildings are spread in these 4 levels. We have proposed blocks of 3 stories villas which connect to each other by 2 or by 3 blocks. The ground floor has direct connection to the landscape, so it gives some extra value to the villa, creating private courtyards which can be used by the inhabitants of the villas. On the last or second floor, because of the slope terrain, has a beautiful vista towards the west and towards the city. According to the interior space, it has a very comfortable solution, where on the ground floor we have proposed 2 parking lots and a multifunctional room. In the first floor we have proposed an open space of living room, kitchen and dining area. And on the second floor we have originally proposed 2 bedrooms, but because of the shape of the building and a lot of openings in facade, everybody can change this flexible interior up to 5 bedrooms according to their needs. About the landscape, we have proposed 70% of the site to be free of buildings, with free spaces, planted with trees and flowers, and despite the individual courtyard that villas will have on their own, we have also proposed a commune space with playgrounds for children, giving in this way the opportunity of a commune living where everybody can meet and spend some time together. We have also proposed a network of internal roads, spread like ring roads on the 4 levels of the terrain, because each villa has parking lots and a pedestrian entrance, so each road meets the specific needs of circulation. These roads serve also as emergency or life safety roads. But the final thing I want to explain has to do with facades. We have proposed big wall openings where the natural sunlighting and fresh air can enter inside interior space. For the material of facade, we have proposed a system called ethics with rockwool insulation and inorganic plaster, which are very durable during years. We have proposed the using of white color with a small touch of pearl beige to give a more luxurious view to the new residential complex. And the last thing I want to say is that we really wanted to propose not just a complex of buildings, but also a lifestyle for the new families and new individuals that will live there. We have proposed something sustainable, respecting the nature, the terrain, the air, the sun, the beautiful vistas, and the way of living between private and community lifestyle. So something different.